This is a dialogue question and we have to find out how the second person's response is related to the first person's response. There is no conclusion or missing link in this question, and our broad expectation from the correct answer choice is that the second person builds on the information presented by the first person, because the first person talks about the evolution of agriculture and civilization, whereas the second person talks about the evolution of civilization in greater detail. So we need an answer choice which talks about the second person's argument building on the first person's argument. Let's look at the answer choices. Answer choice A. The second person provides a counter argument that highlights a flaw. The terms counter argument and flaw indicate that the second argument is opposing the first argument. However, as we can see here, the second person talks about an aspect, that is evolution of civilization, which is touched upon by the first person. So the second person builds on rather than counter argue the argument of the first person. So let's eliminate this answer choice. Answer choice B. The second person builds on the first person's argument and provides additional evidence. Yes, this relationship can be inferred because the second person talks about the evolution of civilization and the first person has talked about this particular aspect in its argument, whereas the second person simply builds on this argument and provides additional information. So this is a good answer choice. Let's keep this on hold. Answer choice C. The second person discards the first person's argument on the basis of examples provided. As we can see, the first person talks about the evolution of agriculture and civilization, whereas the second person talks about the evolution of civilization. So it can be inferred that the second person's argument builds on the first person's argument, and it is incorrect to state that the second person discards the first person's argument. So let's eliminate this answer choice. Answer choice D. The second person's argument is incompatible with the first person's argument. The dialogue mentions that the second person talks about the evolution of civilization, which builds on the discussion related to the evolution of agriculture and the evolution of civilization. So the two arguments are in sync, and it is incorrect to state that they are incompatible. So let's eliminate this answer choice. Answer choice E. The second person repeats the first person's argument with little additional information. It can be seen in the dialogue that the second person talks about the evolution of civilization in greater detail than the first person's argument does. So it is incorrect to state that the second person simply repeats the argument with little additional information. So let's eliminate this answer choice. B is the correct answer choice.